How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device, and if you want to delete someone from your WhatsApp, then firstly, go ahead and swipe towards the left on your screen and you will see the option for more. Tap on the more option there and firstly go ahead and block them. So tap on the block option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on block again. Further, as you can see, the chat still appears, so swipe towards the left on your screen again and then tap on the more option again, and then tap on the delete chat option you see there. Now, tap on the U option or the settings option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the privacy option you see there. Here, go ahead and tap on the contacts option and then tap on the blocked option you see there. Now, tap on the individual whom you want to remove from your WhatsApp blocked contact list and then tap on their contact info on top. Once you are in this particular page, you will see the edit option on the top left of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on the delete contact option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete again, and with this, that particular account will be deleted from your WhatsApp blocked list. So, this is how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.